how to link your e-learning system to the Supercheckout asked by Levels with Richard. I promised him a video. Now you go into your Builderall back office and you find all your website that you've already done. Then you click on the Supercheckout and you can create a new product. First of all, you put a picture in, product name, and it's a digital product. Then you can put the pricing in. And if you want to add a new product and choose a new payment method, what you need to do is click on, for instance, PayPal, follow the instructions, put the codes in, and you're ready to go. And you put the pricing in there. There's no quantity because it's you can only buy one. There's no affiliation for this one. So now we're on to the design. This is where it gets, this is where you link everything that you want it to go to afterwards. So it says here, select your thank you page. So if it's a one-off payment and you've done a thank you for buying my products, you would send it to that one. So what you do is you just click, choose the one that you want, and it's done. But you've got to have built this first. And then the sales page would be here where you sell this product. So this is going to front end to upsell number one. Then you can give them the login details to the course because it's going to be locked. And then you can send an abandoned cart message as well. The restricted areas are your e-learning areas. And you can tick unlimited access. Integrations, register a new student in e-learning, and then you add them to the course that you want them to do. There's no shipping, and then you just click terms of use because that's the legal bit. And that's it, how to do the Supercheckout on Builderall. If you want to learn more about Builderall, have any questions, hit them in the comments below. But if you want to get Builderall and become a member of Team Awesome, click the link in the description and don't forget to like and subscribe and share with your friends.